The electric bike market in 2025 has never been more exciting. With advancements in battery range, AI-powered assistance, and ultralight materials, e-bikes are redefining the way we move. Whether you're commuting to work, tackling mountain trails, or just enjoying a weekend ride, there's now an electric bike built specifically for you. So today, we're counting down the top 10 best electric bikes of 2025, from powerful commuters to off-road monsters, to help you find your perfect ride. Make sure to watch until number 1, because it's one of the most game-changing e-bikes ever built. Number 10. Ride 1UP Prodigy V2. The Ride 1UP Prodigy V2 kicks off our list with one of the best value-to-performance ratios of 2025. Designed for commuters who crave speed and comfort without the luxury price tag, it comes with a powerful Bros mid-drive motor offering up to 90 Newton-meters of torque, more than enough for hill climbs and fast acceleration. The 504WH removable battery delivers a solid 50 to 60-mile range, while hydraulic disc brakes ensure dependable stopping power. Ride 1UP focused on practicality. Integrated lights, full fenders, and a rear rack make it perfect for daily rides. But what really sets the Prodigy V2 apart is its feel. It's smooth, quiet, and incredibly balanced. The torque sensor makes the assist feel natural, syncing perfectly with your pedaling.